Hello tiny explorers, how are you all doing? Today I am here to share a wonderful story about a bear whose name was Barney. Are you all thrilled to listen to this wonderful story? Yeah? Let's go!
Barney the Bear. Barney the Bear was known throughout the forest for two things: his love of yummy honey and his incredible clumsiness. One sunny morning, Barney decided he was tired of his usual breakfast of berries. Today, he declared Squirrel, named Squeaky, "I shall have honey, and not just any honey, but the golden legendary honey of Buzzing Heights." Squeaky just wiggled his nose. Barney began his epic search. The path of Buzzing Heights was uncertain, filled with wobbly bridges and slippery slopes. He tried to cross the log bridge, but being Barney, he naturally tripped over his own feet, sending him tumbling into the river with a mighty splash. Soaked but fearless, Barney continued. He soon encountered Reggie, proper fox with the glasses, who was attempting to read a map upside down. "Excuse me, sir," Reggie sniffed, "but have you seen my glasses? I seem to have misplaced them, and this map is terribly blurry." Barney, still dripping, pointed with a paw. "They are on your head, Mr. Reggie." Finally, Barney reached the base of Buzzing Heights. The giant beehive sat atop a very steep, very smooth rock. Barney, with a determined grunt, tried to climb it, but he just slid down with a comical whoosh. He tried again and again, each time ending in a soft, bear-shaped thud. Exhausted, Barney sat down, a tear rolling from his eye. "Oh, the golden honey is too golden for me," he sighed. Just then, a tiny bee, no bigger than his thumb, buzzed by. "Psst, psst, psst, over here, big guy," it chirped. "There is a secret tunnel on the other side, but you didn't hear it from me." With renewed hope, Barney limped around to the secret tunnel. It was tight squeeze, but he managed to wiggle through. And there it was, the magnificent, gleaming, golden honey dripping from the massive hive. Barney, with a joyous roar, tucked his paws in, tasting the sweetest honey he had ever imagined. He was so happy, he didn't even notice the few bees that were now flying in very close circle around his head. Barney had a wonderful breakfast today, and he thoroughly enjoyed it.
Wow! It was so much fun seeing Barney the Bear hunting for his favorite breakfast, golden honey. What did you eat in your breakfast today? Do share it with me. I thoroughly enjoyed the story time today. Hope you enjoyed it too. So little explorers, Hope to see you again next time with a new story and new adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Till then, bye-bye.